Look at this. Wow. It's got a Subaru. That is that's a Subaru. I can't believe that. That's a Subaru. But just before we get into this review, are you looking for something to do on the 1st of March? Well, head down to Altered Auto's season opening meet, 11 till 3 PM at the Great Northern Classics in Derby. All vehicle types are welcome, JDM, modern, retro and modified. But be aware there's only 150 tickets available. Once they are gone, they are gone. That's it. Tickets are £3 plus booking fee. Scan the QR code and get booked in. Right, so we finally have caught up with this car. Now, it's part of the Altered Auto stands on New Year's Day, and I said if I ever see it again, I want to speak to the owner. I'm with Dave, and this is his AMS Murtaya. Dave, talk to me about this car.
Nice to meet you. It's Subaru based kit car.
Wow.
Well, one of 40.
Right.
Running a WRX STI, Impreza engine, gearbox and full 4-wheel drive running gear.
So it's running full Impreza running gear?
Yeah.
Is that right? Oh wow, that's amazing. When I first saw this, I thought, what is that? I didn't know what it was, but then I saw the engine, I thought, that's the same engine of what's in my cars, my Subaru. Talk to me a little bit about the engine and how it's got, I guess it's a kit car, right?
It is, yeah. It's just all, this running all standard STI at minute, 6-speed box.
6-speed STI box as well, that's full running gear, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's full STI running gear, full 4-wheel drive, 225 at wheels on dyno.
Wow. What power to weight ratio on that?
Yeah, it's just weighs a ton, so it's
really.
Yeah. Obviously a lot of weight in running gear, but still shedding a bit from standard. But yeah, it goes well. It's good fun.
So how many is this kit car you can just buy and make yourself, or
you could? Yeah, but they only made 40. They weren't around for long.
Wow.
So I've actually got another one. I've got 2 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's the same STI running gear?
It's exactly the same, yeah. Except that's built from a later 2011.
Right, okay.
Donor. So plan is to strip them both and rebuild them eventually.
So tell me about like brakes, diff, like what's it running? Is it rear wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, is it?
Yeah, 4-wheel drive.
Wow.
Yeah. This one's got 911 Porsche 911 front brakes on it.
Right, I know a few people do that. Yeah. A few people do that, don't they?
I haven't built them. This were built by Complete Kit Car magazine as a feature.
Right, okay.
But like I say, my plan is to eventually strip it and completely rebuild it. Push for some big power out of it.
So is it just running a TDA4? No, with the STI, would it be running like a VF35 in there?
I couldn't tell you, to be honest. It's just all standard. So it's standard 1996. That was the year it was built from. Wow,
that is amazing. So tell me about the colour, because this colour is, one, it's pristine when it's been painted. 2, I mean, is it like a burnt orange? I've never seen another
just
orange like it.
Burnt orange. I couldn't tell you what colour it is. It's what colour it was sprayed when they built it.
Wow.
Obviously it will get resprayed when it gets rebuilt, but I'll try to keep it same colour.
Would you keep it all-wheel drive, or would
it'll stop 4-wheel drive. It's a monocoque tub frame.
Yeah, tub frame
body.
Yeah.
Then it's got a subframe on front that carries engine, gearbox and running gear.
Just like
Then a shortened prop, because it's got a shortened wheelbase.
Wow.
And
okay.
then it's got the Subaru rear subframe bolted up into the back of the body.
That is crazy.
Wow.
That is crazy.
Something a bit different.
Yeah, something a little bit different. So, I mean, talk to me about ECU. Is it running a standard Ecotec ECU, or has it got standalone?
I can't think what it's called now.
Lynx, Civex.
Civex,
is it?
Yeah.
Civex.
Yeah.
Right. Wow. So potentially, then you could get a lot more power out of that, then, couldn't you?
Yeah. I'd like to try and get. Well, I want to put a fully forged engine in it eventually, with a bigger turbo and everything. Yeah. Push for around 500 horse out of it.
That is crazy. Right, so finally, where can people find you? Have you got an Instagram for the car or anything?
I ain't got anything for it.
Oh, definitely. After this video, people are going to want to know a bit more about it, aren't they?
Well, we might have to start one up.
Yeah, definitely start one, take some photos and let people enjoy it as well. That's been amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for this, and I guess you're part of the Altered Auto stand,
Yeah,
are you?
right, yeah.
Right, yeah. Well, I hope we'll see more of it too.
Yeah, you will do.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So what do you think to Dave's AMS Murtaya? Being a Subaru owner, what advice could you give Dave for future upgrades and maintenance? Remember to follow Dave and Altered Autos on Instagram, because this is what it's all about, isn't it? Having a conversation and helping each other out. Until next time, Biggie who, Biggie what, Biggie when, BiggieJDM, and we'll see you at the next event.